making your first report in Crystal Report, right? First of all, open MS Access. Blank database. Do remember, if you are using 2007, you have to save the 2007 format in 2003 format. You cannot save in 2007 format. If you are going to save in 2007 format, you cannot connect that database with the Crystal Report, right? Classes morning from S Crystal Report control. Okay, let me save it here. This is, let's say, student database. This is student ID, number, S name, text, class, text, semester, text, shift is also text, fee, number, student ID. I am going to make it primary key, close it, yes, and std. Now make entry inside this one table. 1, this is Ali, class DIT, semester first, shift, morning, fee 1000, and like this I am going to make 2, 3, 4 entries. This is 10, Feroz, DIT, 4th semester, morning, fee 1000. Right? 10 records done. Now start Crystal Report. Watch carefully. The second option selected is the blank report. Right? Click on OK. Now it's asking about the data, that select your database. So the second last option you have to select. More data sources. More data sources selected. Right? And after that you have to select OLEDB, the last option you have to select. Watch, in the Data Explorer I selected more data source, the second last option, and in the more data sources I selected OLEDB. OLEDB selected. Now make new connection. Either double click on this make new connection, or this is already selected, click on add. Either double click this or click on add. For example, I am going to double click. Provide the engine which is going to link the Crystal Report with the database. So I have created database created in SQL Server. Access. So for access you are having Microsoft Jet 4.0 OLEDB provider. Selected. Click on next. Select database. Over the desktop, in the classes folder, morning from S Crystal Report, and here you are having the database. Student database selected. Test connection, OK, and OK as well. Now see, inside the database you are having one table by the name of STD. Now add this table to the Crystal Report. Same way, either double click on this STD or click on add. If you are going to double click, here will be a green color tick mark. Double click, watch. Mean to say this tick mark represents that you have added the table, right? And simple click here on close. Now there are 5 sections of report. Report. Report header, page header, details, report footer, and page footer. Report header, page footer, and page header, and here you are having the detail section. Now what I have to do? For example, if by mistake this window get closed from you, then what I have to do? Click on insert field object. For example, this is closed from you. Insert field object. Now inside the field object, here you are having database fields. Click on this plus, click on this STD plus. Now SID, drag and drop it here in the detail section, not up here in the detail section. This is SID. Next on S name, click, drag and drop. Now if you watch carefully, the length of the name is too much bigger, so simply click on this and like Visual Basic, shift back the left arrow key with the shift. For heading as well, after this I'm having class, drag drop. Now for class as well, shift back arrow key. Here as well, click on the heading and shift back arrow key. Make it smaller. For semester, same case, or you can do like this as well. Next one, shift. And this one as well. And after shift, what you are having? The fee. Click on this fee, drag and drop it here in the detail section. Right? When all of them done, simply here you are having the refresh button. Click on refresh and see. This is the report. Is this clear? If you want to make it a little bit more attractive, so what you have to do? Click on design, only the page header, this section selected, not selected. Now selected. Left side, make them bold, right? And now instead of std, I'm writing here only id in front of, instead of s name, I will write only name. And s class, just I will write class. Here I will write semester. For shift, okay, that's fine. And fee, the f, in the fee, make the f capital fee. And now refresh it and now check it out. This 1, 2, 3 coming to right side. Okay. Again click on design, SID click and change this alignment to left side. Same case with this fee as well. Click and alignment left side. Now refresh it and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. Name, class, semester and shift. Last one you are having fee. So this was just a simple report. How to connect the access with the Crystal report. Now saving, how to save? File, click on save. On the desktop, classes, morning, from S, Crystal report, and here save it. Its extension will be RPT, right? Save. Practice on this. If you are facing any problem, you can ask. Thank you so much. In the database, yes, of course. See watch. Morning, term S, Crystal report. Records deleted. Double click on this .rpt. Refresh it. Right, any sort of changes which you are going to make in the report, in the database, it will affect the report. Thank you so much.